Purpose Clip has launched a YouTube thumbnail generator. So what this AI tool does is that with your YouTube URL, it could generate a viral thumbnail for your videos, just like we have here. So I'm going to go and grab one of my videos link and paste it in here. Then it also gives you the option to upload your face if you want your face to be showing on the thumbnail. So I want to do that as well. So after uploading your face, you click get free thumbnail. So this is going to take a few seconds or minutes to generate, and then boom, we have our thumbnail. So we are going to give it some time to generate the thumbnail. Okay, so we have series of images generated by this tool. I think these two are pretty cool. I don't like this one because of the title, because it does not tally with what the video is all about. But these two are pretty cool, and I think this is my favorite. So I can just click the download HD, and it's going to be downloaded to my local storage. So I think this tool is pretty cool. The link to this tool is in the video description. So comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think about it. If you find this video helpful, also like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.